Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tanya and I welcome you all to the brand new episode of Fantasy Makeup Looks. Yes guys, we are adding a new series to our YouTube channel and that is Fantasy Looks. So basically ये कौन से looks होते हैं मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. ये वो वाले looks होते हैं जिन्हें आप normal day to day life में carry नहीं कर सकते. But if you have any dance competition or any acting competition sort of a thing, then वो makeup आप उन चीज़ों में use करते हो अपने कैरेक्टर के अकॉर्डिंग. सो आज का जो कैरेक्टर मैंने पिक किया है दैट वुड बी मोर लाइक अ बार्बी डॉल. सो एज यू कैन सी मैंने अपने थोड़े हैवी इसी तरह से आई हैव मेड 2 ponytails here, like cute cat ponytails. I have made those and इसके साथ मैं आज अपनी दोनों eyes different colors करूँगी. So in this I'll use the blue shades and in this eyes I'll use all the pink shades, and even the nail paints that I have put today are very colorful and like very jolly. So आज का जो भी environment है काफ़ी jolly है. So हम आज बहुत ही amazing और बहुत ही different कुछ create करेंगे. So प्लीज़ लास्ट तक वीडियो देखिएगा एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि आपको ये मेरा लुक कैसा लगा. एंड अब बिना कोई टाइम वेस्ट किए जस्ट क्विकली स्टार्ट करते हैं. So the first product that we'll be using is for the CTM. So I'm using this Garnier Skin Natural Micellar Cleansing Water for cleansing my face. For toning, I'm using this L'Oreal Paris UV Perfect Aqua Essence City Face Mist. Now to moisturize my skin, I'm using this Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock in the SPF 50. Now I'm using this Maybelline Tinted Lip Balm to nourish my lips. So first we'll start with the eyes today. So to give a base to my eyes, I'm using this Nykaa palette. It's a color correcting palette, but I'm using this skin shade to use it as a base. Now I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 235 Pure Beige. Now we'll be using this Morphe palette. It's in the shade 35B. So we'll be using this palette to do our eyes, and since we'll be doing pink in this eye and blue in this eyes, so we will all take all the shades of pink, like this pink color, then orange color, and then yellow color in our right eye. And for the left eye we'll be taking 3 shades again, and that is first we're gonna take purple shade here, purple shade, then we will take the blue shade, and then we will take the green shade, and then we'll finish the eyes. corrector, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Polish Foundation in the shade 220, that is natural beige, to cover up my face. Now I'm going to be using this Makeup Studio Professional Makeup Powder, and it's a very thin powder, and I'm going to lock all the base with this. I'm going to be using this Maybelline New York The Colossal Liner in the shade Black. Now we'll be using this curler. It is from Vega. It's an eyelash curler, and we'll be using this to curl our eyelashes. So now we'll be using this Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Mascara to give our eyelashes a boom. So अगर आपको heavy eyelashes चाहिए, then I think this is the perfect eyelash curler and eyelash mascara for the same. So we'll be using a very nice coat of it. We'll be using this pencil to fill our eyebrows. Now we'll be using this Sugar Mini Bronzer, and it's basically a contour shade from Sugar Cosmetics, and we'll be using to give a shape to our face. We'll be using this NYX palette to give our face an amazing look. We'll be using this as our blushers. Comes the best part of this entire look is highlighter, and to highlight my cheekbones I'm using this Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter. That's how the bottle looks, and we'll be using this on the cheeks. Now for rest of the face, we'll be using this Makeup Revolution brick palette. That's how the palette look to work it as a highlighter. Now we'll be using this Maybelline lipstick, and it's in the shade Midnight Pink, and we'll be using this to complete the entire look. Hey guys, so this is like the final look that I have created. As you can see, I have made 2 ponytails. I have applied both different eyeshadows on my eyes, and apart from that, I've even added a tint of stones to my eyes. So here, this side I have put pink stone, and this side I have put blue stone. I know it's not very much visible to the camera, but I can see it looks very nice. And with that, I've already put these loops. So this is the final look जो मैंने create किया है. अगर आपको ये look पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ comment section में ज़रूर बताइएगा, और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं ऐसा और कोई look create करूँ तो प्लीज़ अपने recommendations definitely मुझे दीजिएगा. You can message it to me Instagram पे, WhatsApp पे, YouTube पे, जहाँ आपके लिए convenient हो, and I'll definitely want to bring that up for you. Till then, bye. Thank you so much for watching, and bye guys.